Hi. Lexzur's Advisor Portal is an external platform designed to centralize and streamline all outsourced work processes with external advisors. To access the Advisor Portal, the administrator must create an account for you within the main core application. You will receive an email containing the URL of the Advisor Portal along with your login credentials. Click on the Advisor Portal link provided in the email, enter your email and password, and then click on Login. You will be prompted to set a new password upon logging in for the first time. Once logged in, you gain access to manage all tasks, corporate matters, litigation cases, and hearings that are assigned to you. Upon accessing your dashboard page, you can view your current and upcoming tasks, hearings, and time logs. Additionally, you can customize the widgets displayed on this page by selecting your preferences from the menu located at the top right of the dashboard. Corporate matters shared with you can be accessed from the Corporate Matter section. Clicking on the matter ID or name opens its page, allowing you to edit, update workflow status, add notes for communication with the legal team, and manage related tasks, time logs, bills, and documents. Similar functionality is available for litigation cases. You can access all outsourced litigation cases, update general information, add or modify litigation stages and hearings, manage tasks and documents, and view related information. You will receive email notifications for various actions, including when a matter is assigned to you, status edits, stage changes, adding comments, and more. Furthermore, you can manage hearings, tasks, and time logs directly from the menu and track your time using a timer. You also have the ability to create bills incorporating your time logs and additional services and monitor payment processes. At the bottom of the page, language settings can be adjusted, and in the My Profile section, you can update your account information and log out as needed. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com. Thank you.